Did you know that you can stay hydrated and boost your health with just a few simple, delicious recipes? Today, I'm sharing two of my favorite hydrating treats that are as nutritious as they are refreshing. Hi, everyone. It's Debbie Sadifa, and in today's In the Kitchen segment, we are making berry hydration popsicles and a tropical twist smoothie. These recipes are perfect for keeping you cool and energized. First up, we have our berry hydration popsicles made with mixed berries, coconut water, and chia seeds. These popsicles are packed with antioxidants, fiber, and omega 3s. They're not only refreshing, but they also support your immune system and your digestive health. Mm, so good. Next, we're blending up a tropical twist smoothie with pineapple, banana, spinach, and coconut. This smoothie is loaded with vitamin C, potassium, and iron, making it a great way to start your day or recharge after a workout. Or why not drink it sitting at the pool? Want more hydrating recipes? Grab your free hydration recipe ebook today. The link is in the comments below. Stay cool, stay hydrated, and keep nourishing your body with every sip. Thanks for joining me in the kitchen. And don't forget to check out the full recipes and let me know your favorite way to stay hydrated. Stay resilient, and we'll see you next time. Cheers.